Yo, what up? It's your girl Joy, the Hip Hop Power Fawn, and today we will be talking about Aquarius season. Yes, the sun moving into Aquarius, okay? We are rounding out Capricorn season. We are going from earth to air, okay? Now, the sun will move into Aquarius at 3:30 a.m. That's Eastern Standard Time on Friday, January 20th, okay? And mind you, Aquarius is ruled by Uranus. So during this Aquarius season, Uranus will be moving out of its retrograde period and into stationing direct, okay? So, Aquarius, ruler of the 11th house, okay? The house of hopes, wishes, friendships, and collective consciousness, wanting to be connected to everyone and everything as a part of the human race, where you saw yourself previously as a separate individual. Now you are realizing that everything is connected, from the animals to the earth to every human on this planet, okay? Now, the water bearer, Aquarius, even though is it an air sign, it is still one of the more emotional of the three air signs, okay? Because water bearing, okay? It cares about the collective consciousness. That's why you see now they say people or young people are more sensitive. Well, they're not sensitive. They just care more. It is age of Aquarius, okay? We've moved out of the age of Capricorn, and we are now in the age of Aquarius, okay? So today I'm going to be using the Nightmare Before Christmas tarot deck, okay? And please do not forget to order your very own graffiti oracle deck, okay? It is on my website. It is on Amazon. It is on Etsy. You can go to either of those places and place your order, okay? Let's get started. All right, so if you see the Fool, know that is Uranus energy, and we know that the star card is Aquarian energy. Let's see what we will be learning during this period of time, okay? So Aquarius season is up until February 18th, okay? And here we have the Hermit. Ooh, and the Emperor in reverse. Very, very interesting. This is Aries and this is Virgo. Fire, earth. Fire, earth. Dun, dun, dun. Aries is a cardinal sign. Aquarius is fixed. And Virgo is mutable. So we have all of the qualities there that make up all important aspects of a personality. Poor leadership, not paying attention to detail. Abusive, authoritative, practical. Let me see. And okay, 10 of Cups. Two people that disagree on what it means to be happy. What makes you happy? Some people love misery, okay? Happiness is a choice. You can either be happy or you can be miserable. Depends on how you look at it, okay? How are you looking at life? Are you looking with the glass half empty or the glass half full? Is everything a setup? Do you deserve happiness? Are you worthy of happiness? And that is why you don't believe in happiness? Some level of enlightenment is going to occur. And it is likely that okay, yeah. This Emperor energy is feeling like happiness is tainted, that it's poisonous, it is a distraction. The Virgo is saying you can essentially, if you pay attention to the details, you can plan for happiness. You didn't have a plan. That's why you're not happy. Let's see. Oh. King of Cups in reverse. Lacking emotional intelligence. You don't feel connected. Or someone is lacking connectivity to the collective, to the whole. Someone feels isolated and alone, which is why they are unhappy. Everything that every bit of happiness that they've ever strived for has been tainted, has been poisoned, has essentially almost ruined their life. So they do not attempt to move toward happiness. Essentially PTSD. From their many attempts at happiness, they have post-traumatic stress disorder. That is very sad, to feel alone in a world full of people, all these billions of people, and you feel alone. Because you feel like you're the only one suffering. Everybody around you is fake or pretending to be happy. I seen this when I was shuffling off camera. We're going to do this. Knight of Candles. You are warped in some way. That fire inside of you, that motivation, that determination, that is coming from a dark place. You don't necessarily, or this person doesn't necessarily do things to make them happy. They do them to stop themselves from being unhappy. You know what I'm saying? Like using work as a distraction or going out because they feel like they have to. Not because they want to. They're doing things because they feel like they have to in order to maintain a level of stability, emotional stability. Devil. Capricorn. Told you we're leaving Capricorn and we're going into Aquarius. You're going to have to ask yourself, do you want to continue to be a victim? Or are you going to take hold of your future and move forward and accept those past experiences, what they were, past experiences? Just because you had a bad relationship in high school, I would hope that you didn't give up on love as an adult. I would hope you don't victimize yourself and just give up and allow yourself to stay in this energy here. Three of Candles is about seeing the light and moving forward, holding your future in your hands. You can hold this candelabra and move with the light of these candles, with the flame, with the power. You don't have to be stuck where you are. Michael Jackson, I want to be where you are. Oh, oh. Okay. Okay, you go there. Give me one for it. Oh, okay. Okay. So that is how I want to do this. We're just going to do this. Wands. Lots of wands. Both of these are out. You have to find your way out of this darkness. That was Frankie. He is snoring and napping. Napping and snoring. Find your way out of this darkness. Okay? You gotta move. Move. Okay? Like Beyonce said, you gotta move. You gotta get out of your own way. But no one can help you. You are going to have to be your own guiding light. You are going to have to do what you need to do to change your thinking, to change your perception of life. No one can stop you from being miserable. That's something you have to do yourself, okay? And once you get here, you won't even need the candles anymore because you will be the light. Okay, your future will be solidified. There will be no reason for you to sulk in the darkness and then wonder why the devil is holding on, has his grip on you. Because you're letting him. You are letting the devil hold you hostage. You can walk right up on out of there anytime that you so please, okay? It's over. Put an end to everything that needs to end. The difficulties and just all the issues that you feel like you may have been having. It might be what you're attracting, what you're bringing in, okay? If you're giving off this vibe, of course the devil is going to come in and try to mess up whatever it is that you're doing, okay? You got to be faithful, loyal, true at heart to yourself. You have to be committed to change. I told you got to find your own way out of the light, right? I did. I definitely did. Boop. And things will change. Things will change for the better. Okay? No one can help you fix it. No one can help you fix you. No one can babysit you. No one can hold your hand. Only you can do that. Only you have the power to do that. Let me move these up. You have to participate in humanity if you want to feel like you are a part of humanity. Okay? Look at things with a childlike enthusiasm. Okay? Then the wheels will start to turn. You will be blessed. You will have good fortune. You will bring abundance into your life. Great times are ahead. Okay? Just enjoy yourself. Go with the flow. Stop forcing yourself to have this negative attitude. Nobody wants to be around negative Nancy or boring Brian. I'm making up stuff at this point. Okay? Page of Needles. Page of Swords. This newfound clarity, okay, is going to take some getting used to. It's not something that happens overnight. However, once you do that, you'll learn how to justify your happiness the same way you justify your misery. Okay? The same way you forced yourself to be unhappy, you can force yourself to be happy until you're not forcing yourself anymore and it's natural. No, that's what I wanted to do. A community, a group, friendships, okay? Go out with them. If they're going to the movies, they're just going to eat, going to a game, watching the fight, anything that requires you to be in a group setting, do that. Okay? And enjoy yourself. Teach yourself what you like and what you don't like. Okay? Learn how to commune and take the mask off and be who you really are. Okay? All sides of you. You've been with me for a while, you know, to me, these three represent your sun, moon, rising, or your id, ego, and super ego. Okay, here we have ego, super ego, id. Okay, moon, rising, sun. Okay, rising is just who you are when you first meet people, who you present yourself as, your representative. That's not really who you are. Take the mask off. Be you. Be you. Okay? Tap into your moon sign energy. Okay? Tap into the femininity. Receiving happiness. Okay? Talk to a female friend or a woman, a mother figure. Okay? Ask them, how do they make themselves happy? Because women, they get their nails done, they get their hair done, pedicures, they shop, eat. Women know how to treat themselves nice, okay? You may need some help doing that, okay? Aquarius is a masculine sign, a fixed masculine sign, okay? You so busy trying to maintain a certain appearance or come off a certain way that you are stopping yourself from enjoying life. You're criticizing everything, okay? Everything but yourself, somehow. Oh, this was reversed. That's exactly what I wanted to happen. I wanted this, and I wanted 2 cars, and then boom, Uranus comes out. So when Uranus goes direct in about a week or so, week and some change, you will have your new beginning. Okay? That is when all of this will have dissipated. All this miserable energy, this negative vibe, this victimizing of your life, all of that will come to an end, and you will have a new beginning when Uranus goes direct. You see how fast Jack is moving? Okay, with 0 to dog. You see how fast he's moving? He is on a mission. He is going to join the collective. He is going to enjoy life. He is going to take those chances and take those risks in order to be happy, being spontaneous, okay? Thinking outside the box. That is what Aquarians do best. Think outside the box as to what would make you happy. Aquarian energy is definitely into technology. Okay? So maybe that is something you might want to do. Okay? Get into tech a little bit. I mean, getting into tech could mean anything. Buying a new device for your home, or something for your car, or something to make your life easier, because essentially that's what technology is. Washer and dryer used to be brand new technology. Refrigerators, microwave ovens, all of that was new technology at the time that it was invented. Okay, it was designed to make the life of a housewife during those times easier. Okay, maybe you need a new refrigerator, maybe you need a new washer and dryer, a new microwave. I don't know what you need. Only you know that. My 3 again, still in reverse. 5 of candles. What you can't do, what you cannot do, is allow yourself to get caught up in any fights, contradictions, quarrels, anything petty. You cannot, okay, get caught up in anything that is going to bring you back to this side. You can't get caught up in a little petty back and forth or tit for tat just because you are stubborn and you want to flex your ego and all of that stuff. That's not cute. It's really not. It's really not. And I don't advise it. I don't advise it. This is just a test to see how you're going to react. To see what you really going to do. Because when you get into a community, there are going to be disagreements, different viewpoints, different points of views, different opinions. But you need to know that those differences are what makes you human. Everybody has lived their own life. Even a set of twins has a different perspective as they get older, because they are not the same person. We don't have the same perception. We don't have the same experiences. No one on this earth does. And that is the beauty of humanity and community. You don't want to build a community of people who are always sharing the exact same opinion. Yes, generally, maybe you might have the same political views, but you have different religious views. Maybe you have certain views on education. Maybe you might differ on how you want to raise your kids. But that doesn't mean that you have to go back and forth and make snarky remarks and just give up on community or family as a whole, as your friendships as a whole. Okay? Friends disagree all the time, but they ain't cussing each other out and being disrespectful and taking low blows at each other, okay? You might even just get frustrated with yourself, but that doesn't mean you become critical of yourself and talk negatively about yourself. No negative self-talk, okay? None of that. You are in the process of building yourself up, okay? Again, your hopes, your wishes, what are those things that you see for your future? That's the only thing that matters. Find the light and you'll be good. All right, y'all. See you on Sunday. Peace.